Have you ever caught yourself scrolling through TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram and you had a thought, wait, now, do these people actually make money just by posting videos on their phone? Yes, well, you are not the only one thinking like that. That's the number one question people ask. They ask in their mind, and some people ask on comment section, even others ask me directly. Can someone like me with just a smartphone and internet really make money online? The short answer is yes. And today I'm going to break down it step by step. So even if you are just a complete beginner, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start. Hi everybody, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is Christine on Immaculate Show, and I create videos to show you practical ways to earn online, especially using just your smartphone. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe because I share real tested tips that anyone can use at any given time with smartphone. Let's jump in because I know your time is valuable, but before that, this is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. You should go ahead and make your own research. I bring it here, consider it as entertainment or educational purpose. So I'm not a consultant on financial consultations. To my subscribers, I love you so much. To engagers, you are really awesome. Let's see this video in different steps. Why your phone is enough? Because some people think phones are not enough. Here is the first truth most people don't realize. Your smartphone is powerful enough to start your online journey. Think about it. Your phone has a camera, editing apps, internet access, and even free design tools. According to recent statistics, more than 80% of content is consumed on social media today and yesterday is created by and uploaded using smartphones, not professional cameras. That means you are not behind, you're already equipped. Then let's talk about the kind of content that people are posting or yourself you can post. Now the $1 million question, what do I post? I will simplify it for you with 4 easy categories. We have the four I can recommend for you. We have educational content. This is where you teach simple things you know that are in your reach and are within you, like skills. Example, how to cook rice perfectly in 10 minutes. Entertainment, that is the second one. Make people laugh, share trending challenges, lip snackies, or fun skits. Then motivation or storytelling, share your motivational quotes or your personal experience. Then the fourth one is lifestyle, behind scenes, or you can show your daily lifestyle, your work, or even your journey of learning. Here is the best part, guys. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with realness. So don't wait to be perfect. Just start now. Now, where should you post? This is another question. Next, when do you actually put this content? Where exactly? Right now, the hottest platforms are YouTube Shorts, YouTube long videos, TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and many more. And why do I think these are hottest one? Because these platforms are fighting for your attention and they reward creators for uploading shorts, vertical videos. For example, on YouTube, once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join their partner program and earn from AdSense. On Facebook Reels creators, you can earn monthly bonuses depending on their video views and engagement. Then when we go to TikTok, it has creator fund and it's brand sponsorship opportunities. And guess what? All of this starts with free posting from your phone. How do you grow as a beginner? This is where most people get stuck. They think, but who will, but who will watch my videos? Who told you that people will not watch your videos? Here is the truth. Everyone starts at zero. What matters is your consistency, and post at least once a day, even if it's just a 30-second clip. The pro tip is that use trending sounds and hashtags. For example, on TikTok, using trending music can instantly push your video to more people. On YouTube, titles like how to or 3 easy tips for, they attract more attention and search traffic. Another trick is repurpose. one video across all platforms, and this is what I do. If you film one video, upload it to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. That way, you triple your chances of growth without extra work. How does the money actually come? Most people are asking me this question. Okay, so let's get real. How do you actually get paid? Here are the main ways beginners start earning. Ad revenue. Platforms pay you for ads shown on your videos, that is YouTube partner program, and Facebook in-stream ads. Creator bonus, this is TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. They sometimes pay you directly for content views. Affiliate marketing, they share product link in your bio and earn when people buy through your link. Brand sponsorship is when you grow and the brands pay you to feature their products, selling your own services or product. For example, if you're a baker, promote your cakes using short videos. Even small creators are making their first $100 to $500 a month just from consistency. Now, can I give you a beginner story example? Let me share a quick story. I know someone who started with just motivational quotes recorded in their bedroom with no fancy background. Within 3 months of posting daily on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, they grew to 10,000 followers. That consistency opened doors to brand deals, and now they are earning monthly from what started as simple fun videos. That could be you, right? The only difference is starting today. The truth nobody tells you about this content creation and making money online, listen carefully here. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme game, no. You won't post one video and suddenly become a millionaire. I've been there for 4 years and I know what it means. But if you post consistently for 90 days, you'll start seeing results. Growth online is like planting a seed. You will water them daily and soon they turn into income streams. So the answer to the question, this one, can you really make money with your smartphone and internet? It's big yes. You absolutely can make money, but you have to start posting consistently and growing with time. Now I want to hear from you. If you had to start today, what kind of content would you post? First education or entertainment, motivation or lifestyle? Just comment below and let me know. Let me know your idea right now. But don't forget, please subscribe, to like, and even share this video to someone else out there who might be asking the same question. Remember, your phone is not just for scrolling. It's a tool to build your future income, and it is a tool that can make you have passive income. Hopefully you guys, if you know you have reached on this video and you have not yet started, like commenting, please, I beg you, can you go down and give us your mind in the comment section? Thank you.